Hello, my dear friends. This is your trader next door, Abhilash. In this video, I'll be sharing my analysis on the weekly chart of Euro USD. So you may have a question in your mind. Why is it important? Well, many times we see that once we click on the buy order, okay, our trade starts going down, and if we click on the sell order, our trade starts going upside. And we try to look for the answer on the chart, but we do not get the answer, and we think that market is a gamble, and we just keep on cursing the market, we just keep on blaming the market, but we are not aware that there are higher time frames where the main game is played on. Okay. We all know it very well that retail traders like me, like you, we do not decide the trend of the market. Okay, the direction or the trend of the market is decided by the big players, the big boys like the banks, the hedge funds, and to know their demand and supply zones, we must be aware of this bigger picture, because they do not trade in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 or 4 time frame. They trade on higher time frames. Therefore, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart on weekly time frame. And from today onwards, whenever you trade or whenever you'll be trading Euro USD, just keep in mind that whether you're trading on 4 hours, 1 or 30 minutes, doesn't matter. Just keep in mind that there is a higher time frame of the big boys, of the big players, where there are certain price levels that you should not mess with. Okay, so this is it. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I do bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, so let me take out the pencil. So we can see that market made a high in the year 2014. Okay, market made a high 1.3974. Okay, and after that market failed to sustain the price, and after that just look at the big fall, just look at the fall, and somehow market took support at this zone 1.0648 level. And since then market is in range. Let me show you. If we keep aside the fall, okay, we can see that market is in range. Euro USD is in a range from 2015 onwards. Okay, so it's been more than 5 years, almost 6 years, that Euro USD in this is in a range in the higher time frame. Okay, so as the market is in a range, so there must be resistance and support levels, is not it? So you can see that market tried to go up again, cross the levels again. In the year 2018, market made this high, but market again failed to go up, failed to cross the levels, and came down. And again in the year 2021, in the month of January, Euro USD tried to cross the level. I'm talking about this resistance 1.234 level, but market failed again, and ultimately it is trading at 1.7888, this level. This is the current market price of Euro USD. So this is the resistance 1 for the market, and this is the resistance 2 for the market. Okay, now let me zoom in the chart so that you can see better. Actually, I have a very bad habit of zooming out a chart. I know it becomes very difficult for you to see, and I forget. I have a small tip for you. If you're not sure about the trend of any market, it can be stock, it can be forex, gold, commodity, whatever. If you're not sure about any trend of the market, okay, if you're thinking of what is a trend, you're not sure, you're confused, then you can just zoom out the chart and look from far away. You'll get a clear picture. You'll get to know the trend of the market. Okay, that's a small tip from my side. Okay, you can see. So this is the resistance 1 for the market, 1.234. So if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then you must be very careful. Okay, your normal trades will go fine. buying selling will go on and on, okay, on daily basis. But whenever market will be near this level 1.234 level, you need to be very cautious, because you know it very well, at least from now onwards you know it very well, that at 1.234 level there is a great resistance in the higher time frame, okay. And uh, that resistance is very much important. Market is trying hard to break the resistance and pass through, but for the last 4 or 5 years market is unable to do so. Therefore this level is very important for the market. So if market goes up and hit this resistance after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, doesn't matter, okay, then market may come down. And if market reverses from this level, you know what to do. We will looking for the shorting opportunities, because at that time market will mainly be going down, okay. And if market crosses this level, then it will be a great thing for the market, because market is trying to break this level for last 5 6 years, okay. And if market goes up and break this level 1.23 level, then market will go up to this resistance 1.3974. And if market crosses this level, then mainly we will be looking for buying opportunity, okay. Because if market goes up from here, then the picture will be like this, and if market reverses from here, then picture will be like this. So only shorting opportunities. On the other hand, if market comes down to this particular level, okay, when market will be near this level 1.0648 level, just keep in mind that on higher time frame, on the time frame of the big players, there is a support, okay. Support means extreme level of support, which is providing support to the market for last 6 years, okay. So this is a support that you do not want to mess with. And once market, if market reaches after 5 6 months, then there's a good chance that market will reverse from this level. And if market reverse from this level, see, this level will not be visible on the lower time frame, like 1 hour 30 minutes time frame. Therefore you better better you write these four levels of the euro USD. If you're a regular trader, if you trade on euro USD regularly, then these are four levels that you should not mess with, okay. See, if market comes down and reverses from here, then great, you should look for buy opportunity. But if you're not aware of this support level and you short the market here, then you will end up in big loss. Therefore these four levels are very important, because these four levels are the level of the big players who decide the trend of the market, okay. So this is the analysis of euro USD from my own point of view. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. Bye bye.